Hello and welcome to another tech enthusiast video. In this one I will show you my Windows 11 Squid Game movie inspired desktop look. With that said, buckle up and tighten your seatbelts and enjoy the ride. So first of all, we will customize our Windows 11 cursor, and in today's video I simply choose this one, Simplify Big Sur, and I think it really nicely corresponds with today's theme, so Squid Game movie. So simply go to DeviantArt and here download this cursor. I will click right here to the download arrow right here and make sure you are actually registered to DeviantArt website. So when I downloaded this cursor, go ahead and go to your downloads folder, right click on it and here click extract all. Then go to extracted folder and here choose your preferred theme of the cursor. Simply select dark or light. I will here choose the light theme, and here on the install setup information file, here I will right click on it, show more options and then click install, and then also click open. And yes, and this should install this brand new cursor on your system, and as you can see nothing actually changed. So go to your Windows Start search and search for the cursor, and here select the option change the mouse pointer display or speed, and then go to the pointers and here select Simplify Big Sur Lite version. Here click apply and click yes, and as you can see you should have this new cursor installed on your Windows 11. We will also add great Rainmeter skin called Vecto from Apex Sensei on DeviantArt, so make sure to download this one as well, and make sure also that you have Rainmeter up and running and installed on your system. Then we will go to our downloads folder and here we will click on our Vecto Rainmeter skin and click install on our system. And here I will select a 20-hour clock format and also Celsius. And then I will click close settings and here I will put it somewhere in the top right, somewhere like here. So you can either choose whichever location on the screen you would like to. Here I will also unload this skin and also unload this one and this one as well. And I think this one looks quite nice right now. So the next option is to actually add wallpaper to our desktop. So today's themes is actually Squid Game, so here I chose this wallpaper, and in my opinion it looks really nice with these three heads on the wallpaper. So here I will select the resolution. Here I will select 1080p or let's say 4K. So here we have 4K resolution of the image and also some ads right here. Scroll down a bit and here download wallpaper in 4K, so I will click on that one and it should actually download the wallpaper on our system. So here it should pop up in the next tab, right click on it and click save image as, and it should save to the downloads folder on our computer. Here I will go to the downloads folder once again, and here I will right click on the image that we just downloaded and click set as desktop background. Right now it should change, and in my opinion it looks quite neat. So this widget right here, you can place it so it actually blends with the background of the image itself right here, and as you can see it looks like that right now. Here we also need to add some really nice icons to our Windows 11 system. So in today's video I actually chose this one, Nox icons from Nivo on DeviantArt, and I think it looks quite nice. So black and white themed icons, and I think with this white lines it looks quite nice, so I will also download them as well. But to actually play with these icons you will need 7TSP program to actually install this icon. So here also download 7TSP as well from DeviantArt webpage. So when you have these two files downloaded, then make sure to extract both of them and then go to each extracted folder. For example, right here I will go to the Nox icons by Nivo, and here I will go 7TSP installer. Right click on this one, show more options, click rename and remove the ending of the file. So it should only be 7-zip. So click yes right here and then go back to the folder once again of the 7TSP. Here go to right click on it and click show more options and click rename, and here change the EE to exe. So it should be exe file, and then double left click on the exe file of 7TSP, click yes right here, and here yes as well, and also add a custom tag. Go to the downloads, here go to the Knox icons, 7TSP installer, and select this 7-zip that we created earlier. So click open right here, and I will click here start patching and click yes. And when that is done, click to yes to reboot your computer. So when your system is finally done rebooting, you should be prompted with this message: the system has been patched. And as you can see, this means that the patching or icons installing has been successful. And then click OK, and as you can see here, you have only one icon actually patched right here. In the File Explorer, it actually patches all the icons, but here on the taskbar, as you can see, Microsoft actually isn't patched. So to fix that, I will go to the Start menu right here. On the edge, I will right click on it, open File Location. Here I will unpin Microsoft Edge from the taskbar, and here on the Microsoft Edge, right click on it, go show more options, then click properties, and here you will need to manually change the icon of Microsoft Edge. Change the icon on the bottom, click browse, then go to the downloads folder, and here you will go to the Knox icons by Nivo, go to the Windows folder, and here select the right icon for actual program. So here I will search for Microsoft Edge. Let me search for that one. Here we have brand Edge, so I will select this one, click open, and then click OK and apply, and click continue and OK once again. Right click on it once again, show more options, and then I will pin it to the taskbar, and as you can see, you have Microsoft Edge patched as well. So icon of the Microsoft Edge actually changed. And to change the color of the taskbar and shape of the taskbar, we will use taskbar X to change the color, and then the shape of the taskbar we will use rounded taskbar program. So download both of them and extract both of them as well. Then go to the taskbar folder, taskbar X folder, and click here to launch taskbar X program, and then also launch taskbar X configurator to change the color of your taskbar. And here I will select the blur option, and I will put the red at the top, let's say 240, and here I will select the green option, also somewhere right here, and we will make the color somewhere in the pink section. So let's say something like that, and click apply, and this should change the color of our taskbar, and I think this one looks quite nice, so I'm happy with that option. Here I will also go into the downloads folder, and I will select rounded taskbar, and I will launch the program. I know this program is currently buggy, so make sure to use it at your own risk. So I will click here on the rounded taskbar, and here I will click OK, and here I will select the margin to the 0 and go to the advanced options. I will click dynamic mode, and I will select corner radius for, let's say, something like 15. Then I will click apply, and as you can see, our system tray is disabled. Right click on this one, so it should change, and as you can see, it's fixed. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, a sub to the channel and like on this video would be much appreciated. However, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.